My name is Yolanda Starks, otherwise known as Gail to a lot of friends and family, and you are now at my restaurant, Neal Street Blues. This business, like many others, all started around the dining room table at one of our family dinners. Oftentimes we travel as a family, and sometimes when we travel, we find things in other communities that we wish we had in our own. We figured out that we needed a place that we could have good food, good drinks, and a little bit of a southern atmosphere. So we decided that we would create this wonderful opportunity, Neal Street Blues. We opened in the fall of 2018. This community is absolutely fantastic, and we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for the friends, the family, just so much support. A lot of places didn't survive the COVID-19, especially restaurants. And I have to say that our community has been so supportive. They would not let us fail. We had a lot of purposeful visits. People would intentionally come by, order takeout, check on us. And I don't think that we would have survived in another community. Our staff has been phenomenal. It's been a family effort as well. Sons, daughter, nieces, nephew. I'm very fortunate as a restaurant owner to be able to have staff that have been here longevity. And again, without their support, we would not be here. When we started this business, we wanted to be a place that our community could gather for friends, family, special occasions. That's what celebrating food is all about. Everyone that dines here becomes part of our family. So we hope that people take away the fact that you are welcome in our home at any time, that you are part of our family, and you get a little bit of a taste of the South, not just the food, but the Southern hospitality as well. And people travel into our community from other places all the time, so it's nice that they can find something that's similar that they've had in the larger cities. Chicago, Louisville, Memphis. We like to think that we can compete with even the larger places. So when I heard about the nomination, I keep thinking, are they talking about our place that we come to every day and, mix the sweet tea and, make the homemade shrimp and grits? I'm like, it's really us. But it's really been phenomenal. It's humbling at the same time because you know that, at any point things could have been very different. But it's just a reflection, again, of the community that we live in. The people have been supportive. They've helped us. And we're just glad to say that we're happy that we're still here to be a contribution to the community.